Sige, and lastly, wala naman po naganap na backdoor negotiations, hindi naman umapela ang defense sa inyo internally, privately, na huwag nyo nang kunin si Zulaika.
No, not at all. Not at all. In fact, I don't know Attorney Lopez personally. We have cordial relations with the defense counsels, and there was never a discussion on whether to present her or not, or any accommodation to be made as regards her presence here in the Senate. So the direct answer to your question is no, there was no backdoor channeling and walang atras. If you saw social media, sabi nga nila, may bagyong Sara. Inday, bagyong Inday. May bagyong Inday na. And alam niyo naman, lumipas na yung bagyong Inday na yan. Tapos na. Typhoon Josie na ngayon. So, wala nang strength.
Josie?